Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC ended at 1561, down over 4.5% today. So AMC experienced a bloodbath on tomorrow, guys. So I know a lot of people expected for AMC to pull back even lower than the lowest expectations of what we was expecting at a low $13-14 range. People expecting for us to pull even lower than that, guys, and expecting, judging how the price action ended on today and we did for this week, they expecting for a bloodbath to be on tomorrow. So bloodbath, what exactly is a bloodbath? You can pretty much tell by the name: bleeding, a lot of red, pulling back in the price action. I see a bloodbath as a severe pullback, at least 30-40% from the current price it's currently sitting at. I personally do not think AMC is about to experience a bloodbath. I think the bloodbath has already taken place, guys. That's what we've been experiencing for the past 6-7 months. Now, only thing we're doing is staying right here in this same perimeter until we could get, through all this fuckery and actually get our buying pressure to be done on an opening market and not through the dark pools, and we could actually run back up, guys. And now, third time is the charm. We didn't expect for us to come down to this level as many times as we did, but coming down to this $13-14 range, this will make the third time. And the third time, this is performing a pattern of a triple bottom. And usually after a triple bottom pattern is formed, it's about to make a severe move, the stop price, to the upside or downside. In my opinion, I believe it will be to the upside after doing so. So I don't think AMC is going to go too much lower, guys. And I'm surprised and shocked at the fact that we've been hovering around the price action and up in this territory for the length of time that we've been trading in this range, guys. I would be expecting for us to have ran up to at least bare minimum the mid-20s by now. So you already know this thing is well behind time, well overdue for the explosion to the upside. So it's bound to happen at any moment, at any minute, guys. And like I said, we can possibly see, if we did see any lower than $14 range, it will only be due to the fact of the algorithms can't even get it out, guys. The algorithms of the stock market. The only way, I admit if I'm wrong, if we came down to that $8, $9, $10, even $11 range, I would say I'm wrong. But coming down to 12, even though I expect the worst case scenario to be 13, 14, 12, you still have to give yourself the benefit of the doubt because of the algorithms of the markets. And they see exactly what we see, or they know, the market makers know what advanced traders are waiting for. Advanced traders, advanced investors, advanced, whoever is willing to buy at a specific price. They see exactly what you see. They know what key level you waiting on before the demand come in. So at 15, 16, $17 range, people with more advanced strategies wouldn't purchase, wouldn't even budge, especially if they already own some AMC. They wouldn't touch it at those prices, knowing for a fact that it's about to come down to 13, 14. They will wait for those prices because that's what the chart is telling them. They will load up at those prices just to save themselves money. Like I could get more shares for that cheaper price, especially if you buying books and books, because more advanced traders will buy in books. So that $1.50, that $2 a share that they saving, they could get more shares on the back end with the amount of money they saving. So that's how they will play it. But the psychology of it would be different if you didn't own any AMC. Say if you missed a wave, like I missed GameStop, but I didn't miss AMC, got in early. But if you miss AMC and you a new investor and you want to get in, especially advanced one, you will wait. You wouldn't really want to wait then. You will want to still get some skin in the game at 15, 50, 16 for the simple fact that you don't own any shares and it's still of too good of a price to be true at the current situation. So you're going to go ahead and get your feet wet now, just in case it don't come down to the levels that we expecting it to and that it's supposed to. You're going to still have your skin in the game, your feet wet, so you can go ahead and, make your money once it double up in price action. But if you already own AMC, a lot of people is waiting for that key level to start buying heavily, guys. And like I said, from the algorithm of the market is knowing exactly, and market makers knowing what events people in the markets are looking for, they will try to manipulate that price as it came down to the low 13. Like, hey, that's what you waiting on. I ain't gonna give you exactly what you waiting for. As soon as it hit that level, it starts taking off, and you didn't experience no red. They, the people that's more advanced, they won't experience no red because they bought it kind of the bottom, the perfect time. So that being said, the market makers and the algorithm of the market will bring that price down to the 12s, right around 12.50. 12.35, 12 and some change, just to try and get the psychology of the ones that bought messed up. Like, dang, I thought the bottom was 13, but it came down lower. Maybe I was wrong. Let me sell. Now they sold for a loss, or it's just messing up they thought process. And that's exactly what could happen, guys. So if we was to see that worst case scenario, then that'd be a drop in the bucket as well. But like I say, guys, I don't believe we're going no lower than that. And if we came down to the 12s, that would be the reasoning behind it. Not trying to cover myself, just telling you guys, from me being around the market, I done experienced, tapped in, sound like a scientist, testing this, testing that, testing this, seeing what works, seeing what don't work. So, seeing how the market thinks, seeing how I think, looking at the psychology of it all, just looking and tampering with all this different stuff to really kind of understand how, the thought process of it all, guys. So you already know that's all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update, let you guys know my thought process, what I'm thinking with AMC. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you. We gone.